MeghalayaPost.news.
Nakasis Pak Klur balamang dengan Sorkar jela lembaga CM Assure Scheme Ri-Bhoi District Kalayo ban pedeng haduk sau Klur tengka ban yarap kerpang nang banta ban Kyntiew Iaka Nongrep hapok kani ke district ya kani lakren mentah sengi da menteri rang bak kajela ukurat kisangma habalik ban cimenta ku mukongsan man kawe lama hagaban pelat pai ba haduk khanyus pa metrik ton usensar bala cimti da Sorkar jela baron penyaru sabar yang kajela Haka jingalang kepala long mentah sengi haba suba brum producer company limited kabadon hakli umstem kabahabru hapuk mahoti konstituensi Ri-Bhoi district kani kajing simti jong Sorkar jelai kita kisensar bala penmi da Nongrep kadai lembaga CM Assure Scheme hakaba ka Sorkar kalamang kerpang na banta Nongrep hapuk kajela haba keren nang sengi menteri rang bak kajela kurat kisama udaong baka Sorkar kadon ne katong man pai khmat kerpang ya Nongrep hapuk kajela lembaga ne skim ya kabala mang tengka hadu sispak Klur hakabala dep mempelai dru ya kapisa ka baspo Klur bat sau Klur tengka tanam ta Ri-Bhoi district kabadai kawe na katong ban Kyntiew Iaka Ioh kot dong Nongrep ulah keren syairu baka Sorkar jela kadon rekat bat Nongrep bat kan trikam rengkat bat Nongrep na banta ban Kyntiew Iaka Ioh kot bat kamtam ban punya yo ya marep khanam ban Kyntiew Iaka Ioh kot Nongrep hakane sengi lai don karu UMLA ka mahoti ubak Charles Marngar ki ofsa Sorkar bat kipat Nongrep na keleng kathan Ri-Bhoi.
Number one, market access for finished products. While we are grateful for the support under CM Assure, I suggest that we develop dedicated marketing channels for finished agricultural products. This could significantly boost the income of our farmers and improve the rural economy. That is suggestion number one, sir.
Government has done many things to support and to help our farmers. I'm not saying that we've been able to change everything, but a huge difference has been made. Our friends from the Hill Farmers Union are present out here. They will tell you, and I'm sure they've shared with you, how at different levels, for different challenges, this government has come forward and taken some very, very difficult decisions, but decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of turmeric mission, whether you talk of ginger mission, whether you talk of the aroma mission, the mushroom mission, and many, many more mission mode programs, gave a sense of direction, a timeline, and a way forward to achieve goals in a time-bound manner. We created the Directorate for Food Processing, realizing that there's a very important gap that needs to be filled. We took the decision, we went ahead with the creation of a directorate. Whether it was programs like CM Assure, a policy decision had to be made. We realized that our farmers were suffering during the lean period where prices were dropping. Lean in terms of demand. And we had to make a tough decision of how we would intervene. And we committed 100 crores for CM Assure today. And I'm happy to tell you that within a matter of months, we have already released 10 crores. And out of the 10 crores, 4 crores is only for Ri-Bhoi district alone. And thousands of farmers have benefited from this. I know we still have a lot more challenges. But this is only to show you that we are there with you and we care about you. And we will get through this difficult times together. We will work together. Challenges in life will always be there. But as long as we are there for each other, as long as we support each other, we work together as a team, there is no challenge that we cannot overcome. Farmers are being supported with seeds, with working capital, with processing units, with transportation, with CM Assure market intervention programs, so on and so forth. But the real transformation will only come with scale. Unless we are not able to do programs and projects at large scale, we will not be able to make the difference that we would like to. So we are doing things, we're doing many small things, which is good. But to have that big impact, we need to go for scale. We are processing 4,000 metric tons of ginger through this unit. This should be 40,000 in the days to come, or 4 lakh metric ton in the days to come. Till we are not able to achieve that scale, we will not be able to touch the national and international market, and will not be able to really transform the lives of our farmers.
MeghalayaPost.news